Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about Charlie Munger. Charlie Munger, as of 2023, is presently a billionaire with an estimated net worth of $2.4 billion. However, this wasn't always the case. While Munger didn't grow up in poverty, he wasn't fortunate enough to be born into a wealthy and prominent family. Born in Omaha, Nebraska, one of his early jobs was working at a grocery store owned by Warren Buffett's grandfather for a mere 20 cents an hour. This is a stark contrast to his current wealth. In this video, we will explore the lessons from Charlie Munger's life, interviews, and writings that can help you work toward your first $1 million. I've spent years studying Munger, listening to his interviews, and reading his writings, so this video will provide practical steps you can begin implementing today to get closer to your first $1 million goal. Extensive research went into creating this video, and all I ask in return is for you to hit the like button, which greatly supports the channel and motivates me to continue producing these videos for you. Now, let's delve into Munger's early actions, which are particularly relevant for those of us who have not yet achieved billionaire status. Early in his life, Charlie learned the importance of owning equity, which means having an ownership stake in a company. Lesson number one from Munger is to ensure you own equity. Before becoming one of the world's most respected investors, Munger began his career as a lawyer after graduating from Harvard Law School. Many of his clients were local businesses, and initially, he billed them on an hourly basis, receiving cash payments. However, Munger soon realized that many of his clients were wealthy due to business ownership. As a result, he began changing his fee structure. Instead of receiving only cash for his legal services, he also started accepting equity in his clients' businesses as payment. This was a brilliant move because it allowed him to benefit from the business's profits over time. For instance, if he owned 3% of a business, he would receive 3% of its annual profits without any additional work. This arrangement allowed his money to work for him, and he replicated it with multiple businesses over the years, which contributed significantly to his wealth. Munger's life underscores the importance of owning equity as a means to build wealth. You can obtain equity through jobs, such as receiving company stock as part of your compensation package, which allows you to earn money indefinitely from past work. Starting your own business is another way to acquire equity, providing you with ownership in a business and a potential source of future income. Now let's discuss the next lesson, investing in yourself. Munger emphasized the value of selling your time back to your most valuable client. Yourself, regardless of your current situation, working for yourself for an hour each day can lead to substantial progress. This might involve learning about investing, engaging in real estate deals, or launching a side business. By dedicating time to work for yourself, you can significantly accelerate your financial growth. Another crucial lesson is to save and invest your first $100,000 as quickly as possible. Munger stressed that reaching this milestone is essential as it sets you on a path to greater wealth. The first $100,000 may be challenging to accumulate, but it's crucial because it allows your investments to generate substantial returns. The more money you have invested, the more your investments can work for you, multiplying your wealth over time. Munger also advocated against over-diversifying your investment portfolio. He and Warren Buffett believe in having a concentrated portfolio of high-quality investments rather than spreading investments too thinly. However, if you're not comfortable selecting individual stocks, you can achieve diversification by investing in an S&P 500 index fund. Lastly, compound interest is a powerful wealth-building tool. Munger and Ben Franklin both emphasized its importance. Money that makes money eventually makes even more money. Compound interest can turn a modest initial investment into a substantial sum over time, so saving and investing early can have a significant impact on your financial future. In conclusion, studying Charlie Munger's life offers valuable lessons for building wealth. These include owning equity, working for yourself, reaching your first $100,000, avoiding over-diversification, and harnessing the power of compound interest. Implementing these principles can help you progress toward your financial goals. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you again soon. Thanks for watching.